Hello friends, today we are going to learn about selectors. So what is selectors? Selectors are basically used to select elements that we want to style in our HTML document. So you are wondering how the CSS documents is understand which element we are going to style. So here is come the selectors role. Selectors we use to select the element which we want to style using CSS. So there are large variety of selectors, but we are going to learn about only two selectors, which is mostly and commonly used by the web developers. These selectors are class and IDs. So the class and the ID selectors are very commonly used in CSS. So we identify class and IDs in our CSS document as dot and class as and hashtag signs. So the ID we can identify as dot sign and the class as a hash sign. Okay. So in the class and IDs, the basic difference is that the class can be used multiple times in the document, and the IDs are only one time we can use in our document. So IDs we are use only at once at a time. So let's see the example of this class and ID. Now we are going to make the HTML document first, then we are creating the CSS document. So let's create the HTML document first. So first we are creating the doc type, which is define the type of document, which is HTML. Then we are creating the head, then HTML head. Then we are using meta cats at UTF-8, which is default 8, which is the font we are using. Then we are making the title, which is title selector in CSS. Then close the title tag. Then we are linking the CSS document, which is rel. So rel is equal to select style sheet. So the rel is that the rel attribute specify the relationship between the current document and the linked document. This is only used if the hyperlink attribute is used. So the rel is the rule defined when we create the link to the CSS document is define the style sheet, which is used rel attribute. Okay. Then we are type, which is type is text CSS. Then hyperlink we are linking to main.css document, which we are creating after this HTML document. Then closing the head tag. Then we are creating the body. In body we are making the P, which is paragraph. We are making the class which is name is R. Then we are closing the paragraph is Ram is very good man. Then we are closing the paragraph. Then second paragraph we are using ID is S. Then Syam, the text is Syam is very nice person. We are closing the paragraph. We are closing the body tag. Then we are closing the HTML document. So guys, let's create the CSS document. So here is dot, which is represent the class, dot R, then opening curly braces, color colon red, semicolon, then closing curly braces. Then we are making the ID, which is hashtag has S, opening curly braces, color, then colon navy color, then semicolon, then closing curly braces. So this is our CSS document which we are linking on our HTML documents. Then this is the output, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you, guys.